Hi there, and welcome to At Tony's Garage. The Lexus LFA is a two-seat sports car manufactured by Lexus, the luxury car division of Toyota, and it is the second model in the F-Mark line of performance vehicles from Lexus. The CEO of Toyota saw the LFA as an opportunity to create a global icon for the Lexus brand and connect with its owners. The production version of the LFA features a powerful V10 engine, developed in collaboration with Yamaha, and a body made predominantly from carbon fiber reinforced polymer. On March 15, 2010, Lexus detailed the circuit-tuned variant of the LFA, plans for which were first disclosed at the LFA official press launch, the previous October. The variant is officially known as the LFA Nurburgring package, in reference to the similar setup employed on the LFA race cars, at the 24 h Nurburgring. Lexus Gazoo entered 2 cars in the 2010 24 Hours of Nurburgring race in the SP8 class, with specific regulations on weight, restrictor diameter, and fuel tank size. The number 50 car won its class, and finished 18th overall, completing 142 laps and finishing 12 laps behind the leaders. However, its performance was slower compared to the top 10 challengers and the previous year's performance. The 1/43 scale replica of the Lexus LFA Gazoo Racing Nr.88 24h Nurburgring, made by Ebbro, faithfully captures the details of the race car that competed in the Nürburgring 24-hour endurance race. Tell me if you'd like me to make a more detailed review of this Lexus, or of any particular model car. And don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.